video, I'm going to show you guys how you can request money from people on Payoneer. So just like I did in my previous video, I showed you guys how you can request money from clients on PayPal. So we are on Payoneer. You just need to hop on your Payoneer account and then you log in, something like this. So on here, you just tap on the get paid here. So it's very much simple, just like on PayPal. You just need to log in and then requesting money on Payoneer is very much simple. On here, all we need to do is just tap on the request a payment here. But then unfortunately, before you can request payment on Payoneer, you need to receive at least $5,000 in your account. So yeah, you can see they are saying this: I'm not eligible to request payment from clients using Payoneer because I've not received up to the $5,000, which is the requirement yet. So yeah, unlike PayPal, that even if you've not received any money, you can request money from clients. On Payoneer, it's not like that. So that's it on how you can request money from clients on Payoneer. Very much simple and easy. If you have this $5,000 transaction on here, you find the request money. You're just going to enter their email just like on PayPal and you're good to go. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.